Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft error code that is 0x80073cf6. So if you're receiving this error while installing any application or game from Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to make sure date, time zone is correct. At the bottom right here on the taskbar here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time. Click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically. If this is off, you can turn this on. Also set time automatically. If this is off, you can turn this on. Scroll down, click on sync now. This is important. Click on sync now and then go to time and language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here, and then reopen store and then check. Still not working, run ws reset command. So type in ws reset in Windows search box, ws reset, and then click on ws reset run command. This will reopen Microsoft Store and then you can check. Next step is to repair or reset store. Now for this you can type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store, go to app settings, scroll down, click on terminate first and then click on repair. Once the repair is done, you can check. If that does not work, click on reset. After the reset you can check. Still not working, the next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache folder. Now for this, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder, open your username folder. Now open app data folder. If you don't see app data at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items and then open app data folder. Open the local folder. Now find the packages folder, open the packages folder. Scroll down, find Microsoft Windows Store folder. So over here you can see Microsoft Windows Store _ some alphanumeric character. Open this folder. Open here, you can see local cache folder. Make a right click, delete it, and then you have to relaunch store and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box. Click on services and then find Microsoft Store install service over here. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Now find Microsoft account sign in assistant. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, and then relaunch store and then check. Next step is to start or restart Windows Update. Now for this, scroll down, find Windows Update in the list, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, then click on restart. Do the same thing with Microsoft Store and background intelligent transfer service. Microsoft Store install service. Again, make a double click, make sure it is set to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, click on restart, and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only, click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. It will re-register all the store apps. If you see errors like this, just ignore it, let the process complete. Once this is complete, you will see everything red. Once you see everything red, you can, once it is complete, restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one, paste it over here, hit the enter key. So run this command. All the commands are provided in the video description. Now once you run all these commands, now you have to restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. If that does not work, you can switch to different network. If you have any other network available, you can switch to different network and then you can check. If that does not work, you can use phone hotspot. So turn the data on the phone, turn the hotspot on your phone, and then you can connect to your phone network over here and then you can check. If that does not work, you can try Ethernet connection. So if your computer has a Ethernet port and if you have a Ethernet cable, you can go for wired connection and then check. Next step is to install the game or application from library. So open Microsoft Store on your computer. Now once you open Store, at the bottom left here you can see download option. So whichever application or game you're trying to install it, if you see it over here, you can try to install from here and then check. If that does not work, you can go to library. Make sure that you're logged in with the account whichever account you're using. Select the right account which has the application or which has the game. Once you're logged in, you can go to library. Once you go to library, if you find that application over here or your game over here, you can try to install your application or game from library, from the store library. You can click over here and then try to install it. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. So copy the first command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the first command over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall store from your computer. Once done, you can copy the second command. Copy the second command. These commands are provided in the video description. Paste it in the same window, hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer. And now you can check. Also, you can go to downloads and over here you can click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then you can check. Update store, which we have already done. If that does not work, run these two commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Make a right click on, type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, and then copy the first command, paste it over here. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, you can copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. If the scan is stuck, if it's not like it's not progressing, in that case you can skip the step, follow the next step. Next step is to type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box. Click on inetcpl.cpl, go to advanced tab, scroll down, make sure use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all four are checked over here, and then hit apply. Apply will be highlighted, so make sure that you hit apply. Apply is important. Click on OK and then restart store. Next step is to update Windows. This is important, so go to Windows Update, click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. Now if you're trying to install game, you can use Xbox app to install the game. Now for this, you can go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. If you're trying to install the game, then you can go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. You can, on this page, you can click on download the app option. Click on download the app, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file, and then you can install Xbox app. If the Xbox app is pre-installed, you can launch it. If not installed, you install it, and then you have to log in with same account. Log in with the same account on Xbox app and store. So whichever account you're using on Microsoft Store, you have to log in with the same account on Xbox app, and then you can try to install the game from here. If that does not work, run Gaming Services Repair Tool. Go to Xbox app, click on the profile icon, go to support option, click on Gaming Services Repair Tool, click on start repairing, click on yes to allow, and let the repair complete. The repair will take some time, and once the repair is done, now you can check. You can even run Gaming Services Repair Tool from the Microsoft website. You can search for Gaming Services Repair Tool, and then you can go to support.xbox.com, which says Gaming Services Repair Tool for PC, and then you can run this. You can go to Microsoft website, and over here on this page, click on downloadable version, scroll down, click on download the Gaming Services Repair Tool for PC, and then you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, and let the repair complete. Once the repair is complete, you will see completed successfully. You will see completed successfully like this. Once you see completed successfully, you can relaunch Xbox app, and then you can check. Next step is to install Xbox Identity Provider. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you will see View in Store. Open Microsoft Store. The link is provided in the video description. And then if you see install option, get option, or maybe update option, install it. In my case, it is already installed. Still not working, uninstall and reinstall gaming services. Copy the first command, The commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure to run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command, hit the enter key. This will uninstall gaming services from your computer. Once done, you can copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will open store. Click on get or install option to install gaming services. Now once the gaming services is installed, you can check. If you face any problem installing gaming services, if it is not installing, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can open PowerShell as an administrator once again. And you have to type in PowerShell once again in Windows search box, make a right click, run as administrator, and then run the first command to uninstall gaming services, run the second command to install gaming services. Once gaming services is installed, now you can check. Next step is to start these services. Now for this, you can type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find IP helper in the list, make a double click on IP helper, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, and then find Xbox services at the bottom. Here you can see 4 Xbox services. Make a double click on each Xbox services, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Again, set this to automatic over here, and then hit apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Again, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Again, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Windows Update, do the same thing, automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Now find gaming services, make sure gaming services are running. If not running, make a right click, click on start if highlighted, or click on restart. Do the same thing with the second gaming services, make a right click on start if highlighted, or click on restart. Find Microsoft Store install service once again, and then make a double click. Again, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. This is for Windows 11 users. Scroll down here. You can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, you have to click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file. Click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. And then go to desktop. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. And then make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Like here you can see by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked, hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer, open Microsoft Store, and then you can try to install the application again. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install the application or game successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.